Hi everyone, Lou and I are on our way to Southwest Virginia, a very beautiful mountainous area, and you will see that for sure on these road pictures. We've picked out 4 different homes to look at with our realtors, and I want to show them to you. I can't fit in every bit of all the homes, like basements and all the bedrooms, but I'll do my best to hit the high points. Pool, mountain farm view, screen porch and garage, that's what we're looking for. All right, look what we're coming up upon, this beautiful, beautiful brick home. This is number 1, and this is called the Big Brick Beauty. It is just lush. The landscape is gorgeous. The trees are beautiful. The shrubs, you can tell everything has been really, really well taken care of. I wasn't too crazy about the backyard when I took a look here. Look at that. It's like a ski slope. It's really kind of scary. You couldn't put a swing set. We could not put in a pool. You can see Lou there at the end, and just about right off where that pink tree is, we might be able to put a pool in over there, but we'll see. We did find a screen porch, but funny enough, it's right off the master bedroom. It's still beautiful, and yeah, it's a great possibility. But speaking of the master bedroom, guys, check this out. And yes, it's all on the main floor. Beautiful tray ceilings, lovely hardwood floors pretty much throughout the entire home, which is something we would love to. Gas fireplace in the master. These beautiful French doors. Look at this gorgeous bathroom. Now, we have a lovely bathroom in our home, fairly new. I don't have a big tub like that. But I do have double sinks that are marble and a big, beautiful shower like that. But check out this closet. It is absolutely stunning. I think I could probably live in this little room. It's so pretty. And here is the family room. This would be considered the family room. It's on the main level when you come in the front door, which is right here. This beautiful window that lets in so much light. And here's the dining room. It was kind of small, I thought, but it would be just fine for us. I know some of you are thinking, why such a big house? I don't understand. Well, we have family, and we want to make sure that we have family, room for our family when they come, and grandkids. But Lou and I do want to make sure that everything we need is all on one level. You saw a washer and dryer there. And there was a half bath, and now look at this gorgeous kitchen. It reminds me just a little bit of mine with the dark cabinets, but it's really a beauty. It's very, very nice. It's very good size. I think if I remember this, this is the one. Yes, this is the Viking stove, and it's gas, which I really, really would prefer. If you guys prefer gas over electric, let me know in the comments below. And this is we're upstairs now, just pretty little balcony looking down into the family room, into the front foyer. So pretty. It was just so open and so airy. And then there's 4 other bedrooms upstairs, or 3, I think. I'm sorry. Yeah, that was 1. And here's just a snippet of the second one. All good size. They have big furniture in this house, so you can tell the rooms are quite nice sized. And a nice bathroom up there as well. And this is the last bedroom that is up there, so plenty of room for guests. But again, Lou and I would never even have to step foot up there. And here we are at house number 2, and I'm going to call this the pool house, so you know what we have to look forward to. The grounds were absolutely stunning, so lush, so beautiful. Somebody has really taken such nice care of all the trees and shrubs that surrounding this house. Even in the backyard, you'll see later. Really, really beautiful. And Lou and I appreciate this. That's the way we have it at our home here, and we'd kind of like to have that again as well. Another big brick beauty. It's not as big as the first one, but very lovely. You come in the front door, and you are greeted by that little dining room on the side area there, which is kind of sweet. They had the blinds closed for some reason, but I think it's probably a very nice bright room. That was the foyer. And here's the kitchen. It's a very nice kitchen. It's got everything you could possibly need. It's a smidge bigger than my kitchen. It's not exactly what I was looking for, so I don't know. But I don't know that I would, buy this house and go in there and completely gut it. It's not that bad, but I don't like the color of the cabinets. I'm just being real picky, and I don't like the backsplash, and I don't care for the floors either, but it's a very lovely kitchen, and I think I could be happy there. And just a little table and chairs right there. And there is all the bedrooms are on this floor, right down this little hall. I'm going to show you in just a little bit. This is the master, that beautiful jetted tub. And then here's the master bedroom. And that's a king-size bed. So this was a very, very good-sized room. I think I could make this room work and look very lovely with our bedroom furniture. We have a king-size bed also, and it was a very nice bathroom, so I was happy with that. And here's a little bit of laundry room and a little bit more of the great room or the family room, which again is a nice size, nice and bright, lots and lots of windows, gas fireplace, a French door, deck, all that fun stuff. It has it all. It's the foyer and dining room again. Nice tall ceilings, and I think there's 3 other bedrooms up there. Yeah, and there's actually another one down in the basement as well, another bedroom. There's another one. They're all good size. The flooring looks fairly new, really nice. It looks like everything's been freshly painted, very pretty. And here's a bathroom here, just nice. I don't know, I'm sure I would repaint this and redecorate this, but it's a bathroom and it's very fresh and very pretty, and I could live with that. And then one small little room here, which is really, this could be a twin bed in there, another bedroom. They have it set up as a little office, which Lou might want to use. And this office is indeed a screen porch, but look how tiny it is. I have to tell you, I've never quite seen anything like this. It's just about the tiniest screen porch I've ever seen. It's right off a bedroom. I'm not sure I didn't like that at all, I will tell you. But here's the deck. It looks like she's done a deck garden like I used to do. But look, guys, you need to check this out. This is really special right here. This is why we really picked this home to even come and look at. This gorgeous backyard. The trees are just so beautiful and so mature. Beautiful little creek runs along there, and about 20 feet past the creek, the property continues. But here you go. Okay, here's the most spectacular view, I think, of everything. Those beautiful stone stairs that come down to this absolutely gorgeous blue glistening pool. And I will say, the day we toured these homes, it was so hot. Lou and I were ready to just jump right into that pool. It was so, so beautiful. So I'm going to let you guys just feast your eyes upon this gorgeous pool. Would you buy a house with a pool at 60-some years old for your retirement? Do you think that's not wise, or do you think it's smart? I mean, we love to swim. Be great exercise, right? Here's just a little bit of the downstairs. It was just basically one nice big room. They had a pool table, which is something I think Lou would like to have. Back there behind those French doors was another bedroom. There's another bathroom down there. Here's the stairs, and then right beyond the stairs was a little screen door that takes you back out into the pool area, the lower level. Now this house had too many stairs, so I don't know. All right, as we travel to the next house, I just wanted to show you some of the most gorgeous Virginia mountains you could ever see. It was such a spectacular day that we really truly enjoyed being down there. It's about 4 hours from where we live. But everywhere you look, everywhere, just stopping wherever, you see these mountains. All right, speaking of mountains, now hold on for this house, because it is just crazy gorgeous, and we are at the tippy top of the mountains. Yeah, we weren't going this fast, but but check out this beautiful home. It is so special. I can't wait to take you inside. Really, truly a dream come true for somebody. Look at that little house. As I'm doing the talkovers here, I'm just smiling looking at it. Those were copper lights. They were so gorgeous, just so beautiful. And it's brand new. I think not even 6 months old, 8 months old. All right, we open the door. And now this is a very small house. It is 3 levels. The garage is below. But everything that we need, again, is all on 1 level. Look at that beautiful fireplace. It's so pretty. If you can look at the decorations as well. I believe this was the realtor's home or a realtor's home, and he also was the decorator. But check this kitchen out. I mean, hold on. I almost just stopped the show when I saw this kitchen. I took so many pictures and I took so much video of it because I thought, you know what? if I happen to find a house that's in need of a new kitchen, I want my new kitchen to look exactly like this. Let me know in the comments below. There's Lou snagging a cookie there. What you think of this kitchen. Is that something you could live with? A beautiful kitchen like this? It's not real big, but it's perfect. To me, in my heart, that is the ultimate kitchen for Darlene. Marble and stone and all that stuff is beautiful, but that kitchen to me, very, very special. Step outside onto this deck and now look. I'm going to show you. We are truly at the top of the mountains here. Way, way far up there. Look at the gorgeous mountains and that beautiful view. Could you just imagine that in the fall? And unfortunately, you have to imagine it in the winter as well. And that could be a thumbs down for Lou and I, because we asked the realtor, what happens when it snows? Well, you got some trouble. You're kind of planted where you are. So you got to make sure you have all the things that you're going to need. But what a beautiful deck, and what a beautiful day it would have been to just put your feet up out there and have a good time. Back inside, this is right kind of behind the kitchen, was just a sweet little tucked away washer dryer area. Very nice, very clean, just streamlined. Everything was just beautiful. Sweet little shelves here. This was just a tiny little area, almost like a pantry type thing behind the kitchen, and there's the half bath. And this beautiful piece of furniture, actually, they're calling this the butler's pantry. And so this piece of furniture does come with the house. I love the way that, I'll show you in just a minute, the way that they have it decorated. It really is nice to have that. Hi there. There's me. Hi, Darlene. But even the little bathroom is just so sweet. And there we have, he's got his sugars and everything there. I just thought that was such a sweet idea. I love the flooring. Everything's so pretty. Back out into the living room. Down those stairs there is basically, though, the whole downstairs is like the garage, because the garage is under the house. Another sliding door out onto the back deck, and this is the master. Now, it's not super big, but it would fit. Our bed would fit in there, and we would be just fine. But check out this bathroom. I mean, oh, again, the bathrooms are so special. Just that little mirror itself, and I love that piece of furniture as the sink detail. So cute, and that bathtub is so sweet. I don't know how realistic that tub is for me, I don't know, but the shower. Look at the, I got an up close here of the actual shower wall. It was such an interesting texture, like a schmear or something, I think they call that. I just think it's so beautiful, so old world looking, and that sweet little window up there that just gives you enough light, natural light. Just so, again, so well done. The windows are so beautiful, and check out that. I just had to take a picture of that. I thought that was a beautiful little piece of furniture there. All right, number 3, the mountain house. And now we're coming up to the last house, house number 4, and this we're going to call the lake house. Now, I will tell you ahead, there's a little deer there. There were so many deer everywhere, just beautiful. Again, gorgeous property, little hilly, but very, very lovely. This house, out of all the houses, guys, this is the one that would need the most amount of work. And as soon as I show you the inside, you'll probably know what I mean. But when I show you the outside, the view, you'll know exactly why Lou and I decided to look at this house. We are what I would call water people. We love the water. We love the ocean. We love swimming pools. We just, we've never been boating people, but I think we could be. I think that's a possibility for our retirement. That's the front yard, those beautiful mountains again. Look, like half the driveway is done in brick, and here you have why we came to visit this house. Look at this lake view. It is spectacular, and from the windows all throughout the house, you pass by and you just get this incredible view of this lake. And again, imagining that all 4 seasons would be rather spectacular. So let's go inside and to take a little bit of a look around and see. Tell me what you think you'd change, what you'd keep. maybe not, Darlene, or maybe so. I'm so curious, you guys. Just let me know what you think of all the houses. Here we are in the living room, kind of looking. Now I'm looking back out towards the front of the house where we pulled up. Front door. It is a split level, but again, everything we need, bedrooms, bathrooms, washer, dryer, kitchen, everything is on this level. The garage is on this main level. Beautiful deck, fireplace. Here's the kitchen. Very, very dated. I would say late 70s, maybe early 80s. You can kind of tell with the little bit of wallpaper. It's only been owned by one family. Beautiful floors throughout. This would have to be like a total gut. But you're left with a huge hole, to create a beautiful kitchen space. I would probably knock through that wall to the right there in the dining room. I'll show you in a minute. There's a pretty little patio right off to the side. We didn't get outside there. We didn't even go out and look, but I would probably just push these walls down right here, and this would be our main eating area. Who wouldn't want to eat there all the time? You don't want to be cramped up in the kitchen when that view is right around the corner. And here's just a few of the other bedrooms. It's interesting how they did this home. All the bedrooms are on this one side by the lake, so that every room has that gorgeous lake view and these nice, big, beautiful windows. You can see how tempting it is. And you can also see how dated it is. New carpet, ripping out wallpaper, painting everything, changing lighting fixtures. In a second here, you're going to see the bathrooms. All the bathrooms would have to be gutted. They would just have to be gutted and all redone. It's very, very dated, but in good shape and spotless. Everything was nice and clean. But check out this bathtub. It's huge and it's black. It is shiny like ebony, like a ebony shiny black. I don't know that I've ever seen that in a bathtub, and I'm not sure that I like it. What do you guys think? Be curious to know. And be honest. Just be fair. You can be honest with me. Just give me your thoughts. This is the master bedroom. It's not that big, and it has a door there to its own little deck on the side of the house. But once again, I just have to leave you with this spectacular view. It is gorgeous. All right, and here we are at the end of a very, very long, hot, sticky day, but it was very fruitful. Houses 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me know which ones you like, which ones you didn't like, and why. Maybe we picked one of these 4, and maybe we did not. I'll see you guys soon. Bye now, and Lord bless.